We are up nice and early this morning to fly to one of the most magical places here in New Zealand, Milford Sound. All right, let's go. We are literally flying in between mountains. This is insane.
All right, guys, I'm just gonna pat us down a little bit here and sort of drop a little bit maybe. Just like that. That's just us break.
I'm on a glacier!
Right, let's go find some ice, shall we?
Let's do it.
The color of that lake is so vibrant.
This is incredible. I highly recommend the helicopter tour.
It is so beautiful up here. It doesn't even feel real. Flying over these snow-capped peaks and lakes, I feel like I'm in an otherworldly landscape, but that's New Zealand for you. This is my favorite view of Milford Sound by far. That trip was incredible. Traveling to Milford Sound, seeing the mountain ranges, the glaciers, the waterfalls, that is an experience unlike anything else I've ever had.